To install Windows 10, you will first have to prepare a Windows 10 installation media either on the DVD-ROM or you can do it simply on the USB drive. In this case, I'm going to use as USB because for me it's much easier. So I'm going to pop this into the desktop. Okay, next I go to the browser and type Windows 10 installation media and then click enter. So look for the top link, click on it and then click on download till now. It will start downloading, and once the download is finished, click on it and click yes, and it shows up a screen saying getting a few things ready, and then it's asked to accept the terms and click on accept, and then it will ask you, do you want to upgrade this PC now or you want to create installation media? So obviously I'm going to choose the second option because we are going to create an installation media USB flash drive, and then I click next. Use the recommended options for this and click next. Choose which media to use. So obviously in this case I'm going to use the USB flash drive, so I'll just click that one and then click next one, and then you also select a USB flash drive, click next, and then it starts the downloading Windows 10. So once the setup is all downloaded, your USB is ready to use and you can use it to install the Windows. Okay, so now I'm going to install the Windows 10 on my computer. I have already prepared the installation disk on the USB and I will pop it into the computer and then turn on the computer. Okay, so now it's asking me for Windows 10 setup 64-bit or 32-bit because mine is 64-bit, so I will choose the first option and then press enter. Okay, now it's asking for some information and everything is okay, so I will click next and then I'm going to install now. Now on this screen it's asking me for the serial number. If you have the serial number you can put that, and for the time being I'm going to put it I don't have. You can still download and install, no problem. So I'm going to click I don't have, I will do it later. Okay, now this is a bit important. So now it's asking which version of Windows you want. So in my case I want Windows 10 Pro, so I will use that option and then click next. I will use the second option, custom install. Okay, so here it will show list of the disks. In my case I only have one SSD. Click on the next. Installing updates and getting finished. So Windows needs to restart, so click on restart now. Okay, so now it says let's start with the region. Is this correct? Yes. Yes. Keyboard layout. Skip. Okay, now it's asking for the internet, so I will put the internet, enter the password and click next. Okay, it's connected and click next. Okay, so setup for personal use, obviously setup for personal use. Next, your email address, enter that and click enter, and then enter the password and then wait. Okay, now it's asking you to create a pin. Click OK. Okay, so now it's asking for online speech recognition, so I don't want, so I'm going to choose no, accept, and then let Microsoft app use your location. I don't want, so it's no, accept. Find my device, I don't want, no, accept, and send diagnostic data to Microsoft. I will send only the required diagnostic data, so accept. And improve inking and typing, I will say no. And then get tailored experience with diagnostic data, I will say no. And let apps use the advertising ID, I would say no. The history, I don't want the history, so it says no. And finally, it's ask for your phone number. You can just do it, enter, or just do it later, and then click next. And back up your files. Okay, now it's asking for the Microsoft 365. I don't want it at the moment, so I will say no thanks. And let Cortana help you get things done. I don't want Cortana to help me now, so I will say not now. And we are done. And there you go. It's done with the installation, and you have your Windows installed on your computer. Yeah. So there we go.